Today, let's talk about ethanol blending, a hot topic for your banking exams. Imagine a fuel that's good for the environment, reduces our dependence on other countries, and boosts farmer income. That's ethanol blending for you. Ethanol 101. It's an alcohol made from plants like sugarcane or corn. We mix it with petrol to create E20 fuel, which is already available in India. Benefits: reduces oil imports, less reliance on foreign oil, more energy security for India. Eco friendly fuel, cleaner burning, helps fight climate changes, boosts farmer income, creates a new demand for crops, empowers farmers. Challenges: we got this. Feedstock availability. We need more source for ethanol besides sugarcane. Vehicle compatibility. Some older engines may need adjustment. Governments got your back. Subsidies for new distilleries. Encouraging more ethanol production. Tax breaks for E20 vehicles, making these options more attractive. The future is green. Ethanol blending is a win-win for India's environment and economy. Remember this for your exams and keep learning.